Hi everyone. In our previous class, we have started to discuss about the topic that is structure of Earth for a grade 5. We have discussed about the structure of Earth. We have discussed about the internal structure of the Earth and what are the internal structure, what are the main components of the internal structure of the Earth. And we have also discussed about the external structure of the Earth. And we have discussed about there will be some changes taking place on the surface of the Earth. Either it may be internal surface or external surface. In our previous class, we have discussed in detail about the Earth. The structure of the Earth and the characteristics of the Earth, physical features of the Earth, and some other important points regarding the structure or surface of the Earth. Today we shall discuss about some another important point or another important topic, that is surface of the Earth. Changes in the surface of the Earth. On the surface of the Earth, we are going to observe some important changes. The Earth will change. Some changes are going to taking place in the surface of the Earth. It might be caused the human beings, or it might be causing the living creatures. It might be useful also sometimes. So there are many kinds of changes on the surface of the Earth. The changes are going to take place on the outer surface and also inner surface of the Earth. We have categorized the changes on the surface of the Earth into two important categories, that is slow changes and rapid changes. Slow changes and rapid changes. Slow changes means the changes which are taking place slowly, but they affect. Some of the changes are going to affect in a good way, and some of the changes are going to affect in a bad way. And some of the changes are very neat to us, and that is a routine that should happen on the surface of the Earth. Why? Because raining is also kind of a change which is going to take place on the Earth. If rain stops, the life which is existent on the Earth will face a very much difficult. So it is a positive change. In the same way, there are many kind of changes, even the changing of season, summer, winter and monsoon. It's also kind of a change. It's also kind of a geographical change what we are going to observe on our Earth. In the same way, we have divided the changes which are going to take place on the surface of the Earth into two important categories, that is slow change and rapid change. The changes, the slow changes will take some amount of time to change. What are the slow changes? The slow changes are rain, wind, river, sea and glaciers. I think you are very familiar with all these things and all these words. Why? Because we are going to see all these things in our daily life. A rain is also a change, but we are going to sometimes we are going to face the rainy suddenly, but behind it there is a separate thing. It takes little time. The water which is present on the seas or oceans or as a land surface, it should evaporate from the sunlight, and later we are going to receive the rain. So it might be a slow change, fast change, but it is having its own background. In the same way, even we are going to consider wind also. Sometimes we are going to have a pleasant wind, sometimes we are going to have very horrible and different winds. The reason behind the horrible and different winds will be very more effective for the lifespan or life in the Earth. In the same way, river, sea and glaciers also causes some important changes. I think we are all very familiar with the river changes. Why? Because recently every year we are going to face the drought. Overflow of rivers, which causes a heavy damage for the agriculture fields and some industries, and even for the human beings' daily life also. This is a kind of a change which is caused by the rivers to the human beings or human society. In the same way, we are going to see some tsunamis and some other gradual changes or horrible changes which are taken place by the oceans and seas. It also affects a lot to the human beings, and it also affects a lot to the human society. And glaciers, when we are going to look at the Himalayan ranges, the moving masses, the huge moving masses which flows, which passes from place to place, it acquires many places and it creates a river and waterfalls. So it may also cause some damages to the human beings and human society. This is all about the slow changes which are going to take place on the surface of the earth. I mean, these are the changes which are going to take place, or these changes are observed on the outer surface of the earth, and the mechanism which by which these changes are going to work, they are visible. I mean, we are going to see, we know about it. I mean, the rainy and the hard winds and the river drop and tsunamis and some other things, what the changes are going to take place on the rivers or seas, and glacier changes. We are going to see all this by our eyes itself. But when we are going to discuss about the rapid changes which are going to take place on the surface of the earth, these are the changes which are going to take place on the under the earth, I mean internal surface of the earth. The two important rapid changes which are going to occur or which are going to take place on the surface of the earth is volcanoes and earthquakes. See, in our previous class we have discussed about the internal structure of the earth. I said you before that the upper surface of the earth is very cool, but internally till today there is a hot magma and some other metallic substances which are going to boil till today. For the geographical changes or mechanical changes taken place, sometimes the magma which is present under the earth, due to overheating, it will explode to the outer surface of the earth. This phenomenon is known as volcanoes. This phenomenon is known as volcanoes. The magma and some other metallic particles which are concentrated on the under the surface of the earth, because of due to some mechanical changes or geographical changes, they are going to erupt. I mean, they are going to come out in the form of lava. In the form of lava. This phenomenon is known as volcanoes. In the same way, we are going to see about the another change, another internal change. The internal change actually it affects the external part of the earth. That is earthquake. I mean, the physical changes or physical disturbance which is going to take place under the surface of the earth, it causes the misplacement on the upper surface of the earth. I mean, some physical changes or some metallical changes which is going to take place under the surface of the earth, but the phenomenon will be taken place or it is in the under the surface of the earth, but it affects on the external surface of the earth. Such kind of phenomenon, such kind of geographical or mechanical phenomenon is known as earthquake. This is all about the topic surface changes on the surface of the earth. In our next class, we shall discuss about some more important changes which are going to take place on the earth, and some other important measures, I mean, which we should follow to overcome by all these activities. I mean, all these changes. It affects because the rain. Sometimes it is more times it is going to helpful for us, and sometimes it is horrible for us. Wind, it is a very important and essential things for the human beings. I mean, we are going to inhale the air. I mean, pure oxygen by the help of wind itself. So it is useful. Most of the time it is useful, and sometimes it may affect us. And the next, river, sea, and glaciers. These are also important things which are very useful for the human beings. But in sometimes they are going to affect on the livelihood of human beings. So, how to overcome by all these bad effects which are going to cause by the slow changes, and in the same way rapid changes, these are actually horrible things which affects a very lot for the human being. So what are the preventive measures which human beings should take to overcome from all these problems? These are the important points we shall discuss in our next class. This is all about the today's concept, that is changes on the surface of the earth for the grade 5th for the structure of the earth. In our next class we shall continue the topic. Thank you and all.